Hello everyone, Samsung just dropped Galaxy S24 series last month and now Samsung working for next generation foldable device Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Last video we are talking about the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's now talk about the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This is the early first look Galaxy Z Fold 6. Yes, it looks pretty much similar to the predecessor. A new generation of foldable means a new generation of processor. That means the Galaxy Z Fold 6 come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC has used the S24 series. Although has using the S24 it's possible this could be replaced with the Exynos 2400 chipset in India and also outside of North America. The international code name for Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 are also revealed. They are said to be Q6 and B6 respectively. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 could be most likely be the cheaper version of flagship foldable device. Samsung was previous rumored to be working on a Galaxy Z FE, which would also be more affordable foldable device. This would also be the first foldable to join Galaxy FE Fan Edition lineup. By the way, Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE is not be support the company S Pen style. The launch timing is predicted to be during the second half of 2024 at Samsung Unpack event, which typically take place in July or August. So let me know in the comment section below your thought about Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. That's pretty much for today. Make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe if you have not already. Thanks for watching and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.